All right, so when it comes to actually opening your business bank account, you really have two different kinds of banks that you can choose from: local credit unions and big national banks. Between the two, they're really just trading punches. Local credit unions usually have the nicest people, the best fees, and a little bit higher interest rates and stuff like that. You can find a small army of these local credit unions if you just Google local credit unions near me. Then we have the big national and international banks. Think Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, those kinds of guys. These guys have way more locations and ATMs. Their tech support infrastructure is super hard to beat, and they also usually have pretty nice people and fees as well. So how do you decide? For most of you guys going through this course, I'm just going to say go for the big national or international banks. Everything's smoother, the apps are easier to use, and the network and infrastructure that they bring with them is super helpful, especially for small business owners. That said, this really isn't something to overthink. You can always change your mind later, and you can always have more than one business bank account. So if you start a business bank account with one bank and you decide you want to change banks or change the type of bank, really not a huge deal. You can have multiple. Below this video, I'll link to a school post where I compare and contrast a bunch of different business bank accounts. That way I can always make sure it's updated for new fees and intro offers and stuff like that. And as always, if you guys have any questions or you want me to take a look at the bank you're considering, just reach out in a school post or a DM and I'll help you out. All that said, in the next video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I started my business bank account for this school group so you can follow along step by step. I'll see you then.